Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can reset the Microsoft Edge browser completely on your PC. So guys, there are only two steps required to reset your browser completely, and this will fix all of your problems with the Microsoft. And first you have to simply open up your browser, click on the three dot option, and here click on the settings of your Microsoft Edge. Once you click on that, here on the left hand side you will find the option of the reset settings. So you have to just click on the reset settings, click on the restore settings to the default values, and here click on the reset. Once you click on the reset, now this is the first step, and you need to apply the second step to reset the Microsoft Edge completely. Then you can simply close it, go to the Windows or type here the run, and simply open it. Now here you can simply type the command which is the percentage and local app data percentage. And guys, once you type it, just click on the OK, and once this folder was open, here you just need to find the folder of the Microsoft. So guys, here in my folder there is no folder of the Microsoft. Once you find it, just open it. Here you will see the Edge folder. So you can simply right click on the folder of Edge and simply delete it. Once you delete the folder of Edge, then you can simply open up the browser of the Microsoft Edge and start using it. Now your browser is completely reset, and this is how you can reset the Microsoft Edge completely. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.